To understand how Texas distributes assets in a Texas divorce case, you need to understand both community property and separate property concepts. Now remember, community property is the presumption of all the stuff y'all own during your marriage in Texas. But here's the thing, not everything is necessarily community property. You could prove by clear and convincing evidence that certain things should be labeled as your separate property. And things that were owned prior to marriage or your interest in it vested prior to marriage could be considered separate property by the court. Also, gifts or inheritance that you received during the marriage, if handled properly, also could be considered separate property. So stuff you owned prior to marriage, assets, things like that, property, money, bank accounts, real estate, and those things you received during the marriage by gift or inheritance may be considered separate property in your Texas divorce case.